Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable NSFW content on Discord. First, open Discord Mobile and select your server. Tap and hold on your channel. You'll find the newly established channel in the list. To access a menu option, tap and hold the channel for a second. From the display drop-down menu, opt for Edit Channel to access and review the channel settings that you wish to modify. While in the channel settings, scroll downwards until you locate the option labeled Age Restricted Channel. Toggle this option to enforce an age restriction for individuals joining the channel. Remember to click on Save button present at the top right of the Discord to save all your process. Once you've activated the age-restricted channel, return to your channel. Here, you'll notice a message prompting you to decide whether to proceed with the channel or not. Alongside this message, there will be a warning indicating that this channel contains adult content. To proceed, simply click on the Continue button to access the channel. Making a channel NSFW prohibits the users to join the channel who are not 18 years old, as it is made NSFW to avoid the adult content from the underage users. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.